Hi guys, how's it going? It's Marky. What's going on, guys? I hope you're doing well. I got some new Hot Wheels, picked up some more Hot Wheels at Target, went back to Target, and I was really surprised because they had what looked like probably 4 different cases of 4 different letter cases. Anyways, I got this Volkswagen Sp2, I think it's called. I didn't even know this was coming out. Volkswagen Sp2. This one says F case on it. So I must have missed this one when it came out on F case, because I have run into F case a couple times, but obviously there were some cars missing, so this is one of them. The Volkswagen Sp2. Yeah, there it is, Sp2. Has kind of like a retro colors on it, and it does definitely have like a retro look as well. Give him a little spin here. He does have the chrome 5 spokes on there, the really thin ones. We do have no side mirrors on here, and we do have the little windshield wipers on there, which is really cool. We do have the little vents right here, right by the hood, and it looks like a little antenna that pops up, one of those electric antennas, old school electric antennas. And then we have the plain color in the front, no extra colors, but some really nicely sculpted details in the mold, obviously, and then a nice Hot Wheels logo on the front fender. We do have the black stripe or black trim going all the way to the back, and then the orange and yellow stripe on the bottom there. The color is kind of like a pale metallic yellow, very pale looking color. The back end also very plain, but a lot of nicely sculpted details. We do have the exhaust on the left side there. And what is this? Is this a left side driver? Yeah, it's a left side driver, just like we drive in America. This Volkswagen is kind of like rare. I'm not real familiar with this casting or this model. I don't think I have one in my collection. You know, sometimes I think I don't have one and later I find it, but it does not ring a bell. It does have an orange interior, which is kind of cool. It matches really cool with that orange stripe on the outside, and it does a great contrast with the color. We also have the matching colors right up here on the hood, the black in the middle and the orange and yellow around the black. The color combo is pretty cool. I mean, retro colors, that really pale looking yellow. Very cool. Now, I was looking at in the store. By the way, the handles are painted on the doors in like a silver color. So in the store, I was trying to get a view of the bottom here, see if on the base there was any year, but I couldn't see a year. And now that I look at it here under the lights, there is no copyright year. It does say copyright Mattel and Hot Wheels, but no year. L48 stamped there. Volkswagen Sp2 is the name there. Made in Malaysia. Some little details here, little details back here. The exhaust details coming around. We just see the rivets smashed in there. Very cool. But man, no copyright year on this one. A really cool Volkswagen. I mean, I know there's a lot of people that love Volkswagens, and then there's the other band of people who hate them. Let me see if I can get this right. There we go. A little closer for you. Just a little something on the tire there. Don't know what that is. There we go. Make it look nice and clean. Beautiful little Volkswagen. Now let's check out the front end here on the graphics. You can see that the front end would look nice with that black on the bottom here, and the lights painted in, and the badge in the middle in that silver color or chrome. All that would have looked so much better. And this one only has a mirror on one side, so it would have had a mirror here, but no mirror on this other side over here, as they show it on the card right there. Pretty cool. They did pretty good, just missing a few little colors here and there, and that little mirror, but pretty nice Volkswagen. And of course, it's from the Volkswagen series that's coming out now for 2022. And I already got the blue Beetle, and I got the green Beetle, and then I got this one. Can't remember if there's been any other Beetles so far. And they also had this one here, the morrismini, which I could never find. This one is from way back. Q case, never picked it up. So this is the last case of the year, I believe, or the last case of 2021, and disappeared at my Target just today. It's unbelievable. Just never know what you're going to find. You can go one day and there's nothing. Best for track on this one. 510 Hot Wheels race team. So cool. Finally, I think I completed now the race team now that I got this one here. And this one is a right side driver. And not the way we drive in America. Hot Wheels Racing right on the door with that big red circle in the back. We do have the gold, what looks like an orange color, and then white stripes right there. We do have like a red interior. Only one seat right there in the front. I have all the other racing equipment right there. Hot Wheels Racing. We got the spiderweb wheels, which I really like in black. For this one, it just works really well. The Michelin Man, all the way on top. Michelin Man, number 10 in the circle. And then that little rainbow right there. The gold, orange, and white. Then on the front, we only have the 2 white racing stripes. And nothing on the back. Just the exhaust showing in chrome. We do have a lot of nice sculpted details there. And there is a support beam here in the back. Really cool. Really, really cool looking. I love the grille in chrome showing through. That looks amazing, right? Really, really cool. Wow, look at that. Nice grille. Check out the lights and the little things all around it, like a ring with the little circles. Don't know what that is. I think they're just like rivets. Oh yeah, maybe it'll show it on the card. Let's see. Oh yeah, looks like little rivets or little screws. And then it has little locks there in the front, which are kind of like displayed there in blue. Little locks right there. It is supposed to have a mirror, as you can see, but there's no mirror there. 2 mirrors, actually, as they show on the card. But they got it pretty close. It does have the little lights down here in blue, though. They should have painted those in a nice amber color. A beautiful Morris Mini. I love it. Let's check out the markings on the base. Morris Mini M25 mark. Stamped down there, Hot Wheels, 1186, blah, blah, blah. Copyright 2014, made in Malaysia. Really cool. And we see some little details here and there. All chrome plastic base. Man, really nice. Really nice Hot Wheels. So I got these really, really cool ones that I was missing, and it was exciting to find these on the pegs at Target. So cool. And then they had the Cyber Speeder, which comes from G-Case. Look at that, G-Case. And it does have the special feature, the moving spoiler in the front. Cyber Speeder in red and white. And I didn't think I had this one in the collection, so I grabbed this one. It says best for track, a special feature, see back details. And it's that spoiler that moves up and down. Let's get them out of the pack real quick. And let's see. Up, up. This one's not clicking. Well, this one doesn't have a working feature. Oh, there. I got it in there. Just gotta push it right there. It looks like it has an extra piece of plastic. And then you can pop it down. There we go. Just need it to get broken in. Cyber Speeder. There we go. Pop it up. Let it go. So I guess when you put them on the track, if you lift it, it'll probably glide faster. But man, this one's not really working properly. Again, it won't stay up. All right. Pretty cool. It won't lock in place. Colucci, Hot Wheels Colucci, and the Chime, or is it Chem? Turbochargers, and the Cyber Speeder name right there in the front. You know, now that I'm looking at it, it looks familiar. I wonder if I have this in my collection. This has a driver in there. That's looking even more familiar. Oh man, I may have bought one that I already had. If that's the case, I'll have an extra one to smash around. Which I was thinking I should get this one, an extra one to smash around or throw them into the swim team so I can have some water stunts. Jump some ramps or something and fall in the water. That would be cool. Can't wait to make another video of those for you. Cars falling in the water. And also picked up this Drifter, which I'm not sure. It looks very familiar. I may have this one. I bought it by mistake, but best for track on the Drifter. And what does it say here? G-Case as well. So there were cards from all kinds of cases there. FQ And G, excuse me, was yawning there for a second. Team Wall Ride. Yeah, I think I have this one. I think I already have this one. G case. Do I have my G case cars handy? Well, never when I need them, but I'm just wondering if I have one. It looks very familiar now. When I saw it, I didn't think I had it, but now that I see it up close, I'm remembering the two colors. I'm remembering the tampo work on here. Yeah, I remember seeing this close up before. This one has a right side driver, which is kind of strange, but a pretty cool fantasy car. So again, these are pretty awesome. I think I may have made a mistake buying these two. I may have them already in the collection, but no big deal, no big deal. Very, very nice. All right, let's back off a little bit. Cool, so we got the Volkswagen and the Morris Mini, the two more important ones that I found because I didn't have those in the collection. So that's great that I can add those. Then the Cyber Speeder and the Drifta, now looking very familiar. At first I was excited I got some new cars, but I think I have those. I don't know. I gotta check, but it just they look very familiar now. Keep repeating myself, but yeah. All right, guys. So these are the new ones. Adding these into the collection. So exciting to get some new cars. And if I have these, no big deal. All right, guys. Let's put the cards up here. Let me know which ones you have. Have you found these two? Looks like these have been out for a while and I hadn't come across them. So I guess you can say they gave me a hard time. Took a while to find them. So unbelievable. One from Q case and one from, I think it was F case. Let me see. Yeah, F case for the Volkswagen. And, oh, Q case. Q case for the Morris Mini. These are G right here. Morris Mini, Q case, and F case on the Volkswagen. Wow, that is so strange that I'm finding these now. And just like yesterday that I found a couple of old cars. That was kind of strange. Found some old premiums. I thought they were new, and then I realized they were older premiums. So, I don't know. Who knows? Maybe Target got some old cases. Maybe somebody returned a bunch of cars. Maybe they needed money and had to return some. I don't know. You never know. Never know. That's what I was wondering, just because of the awkwardness of finding these. And the other two that I found yesterday. That was another awkward situation, I thought. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know which ones you have. Which ones of these you have in your collection already. And I'll see you again in the next video.